How to unlock Marcia in Evony. So Marcia is one of the champions that you're gonna have to unlock through a limited time event. So for Marcia, you're gonna have to obtain a special item called the Bath Invitation. So this Bath Invitation is found and only available through the King's Party or the Cake event, where you need to increase your cake level to level 5. This event is limited time though, and reaching cake level 5 typically requires strong participation and basically being active. So basically a significant investment since Marcia can't be unlocked through the normal recruitment method. So once you obtain the Bath Invitation, you can redeem it to unlock Marcia as a champion. So just go ahead and take a look at the events. If the King's Party or the Cake event is currently available, and you should be able to see a Bath Invitation, which is typically what will unlock Marcia as a character as a whole. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.